Hi investors! So for today's video, I'm giving some tips about our port pre-selling projects here in Mega World Corporation. So disclaimer lamang po sa ibang properties. So yung i-discuss ko lang dito or bibigyan ko ng perspective is yung mga properties na hinahandle ko. So we have Park McKinley West, Uptown Arts Residence, Uptown Modern, and C9 Central Park. So if you are a first-time real estate buyer, so you need to watch this para magkaroon ka ng idea about our pre-selling properties here in Mega World at the Fort. So ang unahin ko na is yung favorite property ko, which is Park McKinley West. So bakit nga ba magandang mag-invest kay Park McKinley West? So unang-una kasi, ang nakita ko kay Park McKinley West, nasa middle siya ng mga business district here in the Philippines like Cati, BGC, and si McKinley Hill. So kapag ganon, yung location natin, nandyan na rin yung mga target market natin when it comes to investment or for rentals. So si Park McKinley West, meron siyang 25 floors lamang and meron tayong mga 1-bedroom unit na good for Airbnb and long-term rental. So aside from that, ang nagustuhan ko rin kay Park McKinley West is meron siyang bi-level mall. So imagine meron kang bi-level mall and one elevator away ka lamang sa lahat ng needs mo. Like meron ka ng groceries pagbaba mo, nandyan na rin yung mga bangko, and aside from that, yung mga restaurants. So one elevator away ka lang dyan. So aside from that, malapit tayo sa Venice Grand Canal Mall, malapit tayo sa St. Luke's Medical Center, and 20 minutes away lang tayo sa NAIA. So yun yung maganda for me kay Park McKinley West. And marami pang iba actually. And then next ko naman is si Uptown Arts Residence. So si Uptown Arts Residence naman is located siya sa Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. So exact location niya is 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio. So ang maganda naman kay Uptown Arts, yung turnover niya is 2025 na. Meron siyang 12 units per floor lamang, and then aside from that, meron siyang studio unit. So when it comes to investment, maganda rin siya kasi 41.5 square meter na yung studio unit niya. And aside from that, of course, malapit din siya sa mga establishments like malls. Meron tayong Uptown Mall dyan, may Landers BGC, and of course, malapit din yan sa St. Luke's. And ang maganda dito kay Uptown Arts Residence, 1 block away lang siya sa upcoming subway or Metro Manila subway. So may station tayo dito kay Uptown. So yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang development dito sa Uptown Bonifacio, yung subway station. And then meron siyang no spot down payment, of course, and then flexible yung payment terms niya. So if you are a first time investor on a real estate, pwede mo rin siyang maging investment. And then, ang next natin is si Uptown Modern naman. So, what's good about Uptown Modern naman? Siyempre, located din siya sa Uptown Bonifacio BGC, and same with Uptown Arts, yun din yung mga meron sa kanya. And then, aside from that, ang maganda kay Uptown Modern, kaka-launch lang niya, and base price pa lamang yung price ng property. So, pwede mo siyang i-take advantage and pwede kang mag-start ng investment mo dito nang walang nilalabas na malaking halaga. So, yun yung isa sa maganda kay Uptown Modern. And then, aside from that, all our units nga pala dito kay Mega World is semi-furnished na siya. So, pwede mo i-take advantage yun. And then, what's also good about the location ng mga properties natin dito sa BGC is yung security. So, 24/7 yan. So, aside from everything is just one elevator away from you, safe yung location mo. So, that's why magandang mag-invest dito. And aside from that, yung personal use, sobrang ganda ng location. And then, last property na nire-recommend ko sa inyo for investment is C9 Central Park, which is located naman siya sa Northwind Global City, Bulacan. Marilao, Bukawi, Bulacan. So, ang maganda sa kanya, newly township siya ni Mega World, and Roland pa lamang siya ngayon. That's why if you are going to invest on this property, asahan niya talaga yung pagtaas ng presyo niyan kapag na-develop na yung buong location. So to set your expectation, gagawin siyang business district that will connect to North and South business. So kung anong meron sa Makati, kung anong meron sa BGC, and kung anong meron sa McKinley Hill, ganun din yung itatayo kay Northwind Global City. And C9 Central Park, yung kauna-unahang condo property dun sa lugar. That's why it's a good investment also. And ang maganda pa doon, malapit siya sa Philippine Arena and sa new upcoming international airport natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, pwede kayo mag-start ng investment nyo on 9 Central Park sa studio unit ng 7,000 lamang. So, yun yung mga properties na ino-offer ko, and yun yung perspective ko on every project. So, if you are interested on this property, you can comment down below and i-message ko kayo, or you can directly message me or call me so I can assist you on this for pre-selling project. So, if you wanna know more, just message me. Again, this is Jared Bagnayi, your trusted property specialist here in Mega World at the Fort.